Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech accessories. Today, we have something that can turbocharge your laptop's performance: Corsair Vengeance Performance SODIMM memory. Let's get right into it. But before we jump into the technical details, let's unbox this memory kit and share our first impressions. The Corsair Vengeance Performance SODIMM memory comes as a 32GB kit, comprising two 16GB modules. This powerful DDR4 memory kit is designed specifically for laptops powered by 8th generation or newer Intel Core i7 and AMD Ryzen 4000 series processors. One standout feature that makes this memory kit exciting is its auto-overclocking capability. That means no need to tinker around in the BIOS. It automatically boosts your laptop's performance without any configuration hassle. Corsair has carefully engineered this memory kit to provide not just speed but also stability. It runs at a speedy 3200 MHz with a CL22 latency. For those not familiar with CAS latency, this lower number means quicker response times, which is fantastic for multitasking, gaming, and content creation. These memory modules operate at a modest 1.2 volts. This not only helps in conserving laptop battery life but also keeps the heat generation in check. It's an energy-efficient choice for memory-hungry tasks. Worried about reliability? Corsair has you covered with its limited lifetime warranty. It's a testament to their confidence in the quality of their product. Now, let's get practical. We put the Corsair Vengeance SODIMM memory to the test in real-world scenarios. We ran demanding applications, multitasked like pros, and fired up some resource-intensive games. The results? Well, let's just say it made a noticeable difference in the laptop's overall performance. Installation is straightforward. Make sure to power off your laptop, ground yourself to prevent static discharge, locate the memory slots, and gently insert the modules. Then, power on your laptop, and voila! More memory, more possibilities. In conclusion, the Corsair Vengeance Performance SODIMM memory is a game-changer for laptops. It's like giving your trusty laptop a shot of adrenaline, boosting performance without any fuss. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a multitasker, this memory kit can take your laptop to the next level. If you're interested in upgrading your laptop's performance, you can find the link to the Corsair Vengeance memory kit in the video description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech accessory reviews. That's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.